आज मैं व्हील कवर लगाने वाला हूँ।
आजकल ज्यादा ही लोग उछल रहे हैं व्हील कवर्स को लेके। लोग अब क्या नाम है सीरियसली ले नहीं रहे हैं। वी नीड टू गेट द ग्लव्स बैक। तो आज का प्लान रहेगा, हम लोग करेंगे मोटरसाइकिल मॉड रिव्यू। कुछ होंगे बहुत ही कूल और कुछ होंगे एकदम ही फूल। हम लोग स्पार्क प्लग्स देंगे एज ऑलवेज, और साथ ही साथ जो हम लोग का नया अवार्ड है, वी विल डिसाइड कि किस मॉड को मिलेगा गोल्डन स्प्रॉकेट, वो भी करेंगे। हाँ, एक और नया कुछ करेंगे। एक बार मैं अपनी लिस्ट जो है कंप्लीट कर लूंगा, उसके बाद मैं चैट से रिकमेंडेशन लूंगा। आई रिव्यू द चैट्स मोटरसाइकिल। वाओ, न्यू एडिशन, वाओ। सो दिस इज अ कर्नाटका बिल्ड motorcycle. Check out the tower. I think a custom built tower. And this is a oil cooler, right? He has put oil cooler right in front. क्या कूलिंग होगी मस्त वाली। Check out that exhaust. I call it the tractor exhaust. Check out the rear, the tail section. That's something new. I'm not really sure about the swing arm. Is it just painted or is it custom swing arm? Not really sure about it. But the tail section, that's unique, I'll say. Like fins. There's Powertronics also installed. And check out the rear seat. Huge. दो मोटी आंटी तो आराम से बैठ सकती हैं। और this is a, by the way, 411 Himalayan. Nice. Cool stuff. But the headlamp is, not for everyone. Looks like a fridge to me. But as long as this was his vision and he's happy, सब चंगा सी, right? +1 cooling, -10 in aerodynamics. There's aerodynamics in the rear. Don't forget about that. This is from Carti Navi and Madras Custom Studios. They are the one behind this mod. So if you want more information about this, please reach out to them, right? Okay, बहुत ही खतरनाक वोटिंग चल रही है यहाँ पे। 31% बोलती है 4 spark plugs, 32% बोल रही है 3 spark plugs. So I think it's a 3.5 spark plugs. Not bad. ये क्या हो रहा है देखते हैं। ये देखिए R15 ग्रे R15 Aryan5. Sorry, I said R15, my bad. Aryan5. कितने स्टिकर है इसमें? स्टिकर फैक्ट्री एक्सप्लोड हुई थी क्या इसके आसपास? एक तो आई का स्टिकर लगा हुआ है, फिर यहाँ पे एक फीनिक्स है, फिर एक इमोजी है किस देते हुए, फिर यहाँ नीचे देखिए यहाँ पे एक बटरफ्लाई है और यहाँ पे एक ड्रैगन भी है। लाल आंखें जो इसकी है, ऐसे लग रहा है कैटरैक्ट वैटरैक्ट हो गया। नहीं, कैटरैक्ट नहीं बोलेंगे, सॉरी, कंजक्टिवाइटिस, सॉरी। चेक आउट द हेलमेट। ओह माय गॉड, इज ही सीरियस? चेक आउट द टॉप रैक। टॉप रैक पे भी कुशन लगा हुआ है। तो बेसिकली इफ ही यूजेस अ बाइक फॉर रैपिडो ना, 2 कस्टमर्स को बैठा सकता है ये। पैसा ही पैसा होगा। हाउ कैन आई डू दैट? चेक आउट द ड्रैगन। द ड्रैगन सीम्स टू बी वेरी हैप्पी। हमारी जनता जो है सरकार इज प्रीटी यूज्ड टू ऑल दिस नाउ। 1 spark plug obviously, let's go। अरे बाप रे बाप, ये है बाय द वे फ्रॉम मिस्टर माजी। Where is it from? Assam. This is a bloody Dominar. What the hell, dude? Looks like a Diavel. Ducati Diavel now. Crazy, dude. What a crazy ass mod. I freaking love it. I never seen a Dominar mod like this. I have seen multiple Dominar mods, but this is just next level stuff. Minus the wheel cover, obviously. Can we get a fart sound effect for the wheel cover? आप जो पानी पीते हो वो KTM से आता है ना? हाँ, हो गया। ऐसे यूजुअली रसना भेजता है। We can't be that practical also when people are showcasing their mod. Sometimes maybe because the mirrors that they have currently are not looking good in the video, so they might have removed it off. So when we're doing mod review, let's not be very practical. Can't excuse a wheel cover though. Yes, not happening because we are trying to kill that mod. That's the reason I'm wearing gloves today. That is the whole motive of this channel, of my existence. I would have given 5 spark plug, but जनता ने बोला है 4, और मे बी इट कैन बी ना पापा का ना जनता का 4.5 spark plug. How about that?
Soka.
No, I can't play music. Wow. You want a rear view mirror, right, chat? There you go, rear view mirror. इतना छोटा है।
मुझे तो नान खटाई खानी है।
इस rear view mirror में देखने के लिए you have to use a bloody microscope. What the hell is that? It's cute though. ये वाला मिरर आपको जेम्स बॉन्ड वाला फीलिंग देगा। बंदा भी फुल जेम्स बॉन्ड वाली फील में। स्मोकिंग ऑल्सो, while smoking his cigarette, he's opening up the rearview mirror. I'm not saying smoking is cool, okay? It is not cool. It's not cool. I don't smoke, nor I recommend anyone to smoke. It's a bad habit. Nor is cool. It's not. People think it's cool.
अरे बस कर भाई।
Please forget whatever I said. Forget about it. Forget about it. फोन का लेंस इससे बड़ा है। That was a good one. That was an introvert mirror. वाह, क्या जोक मारे तुम लोग, गजब। आज तो हम लोग पूरा वीडियो सिर्फ इसकी के ऊपर जोक मार के निकाल देंगे।
Round and round, round and round.
बट हाँ, सिगरेट फूकने के लिए एक स्पार्क प्लग। वाओ, चेक दिस वन आउट। इट्स अ सुपर मोटो मॉड by Rider Boy 47. Oh, it's a Meghalaya. Oh, Meghalaya is crazy fan following for Impulse, Expulse, and they do a lot of off-road riding that side, man. We have not explored a lot of motorcycling culture from that northeast side. Assam to dekha hai hum log ne, but if you go towards Meghalaya, if you go towards Mizoram and all that, they have crazy off-roading scene there. I don't think so. This is a Impulse. I think this is a Expulse engine. This is a Expulse engine, right? And they have put a body kit of Impulse on it, and then they have converted into a supermoto. For the smaller wheels, they have used spoke wheels. Looks perfect. Rider Boy 47, very cool. And the sticker job also looks damn cool, man. Not really sure if it's an Impulse or Expulse because Expulse का engine लग रहा है and Impulse की body है. The tail I think is for Moto Mold. The number plate placement is damn nice. Sadly, we don't have any supermoto sold in India yet, but soon KTM will be launching their SMCR, which will be a first supermoto for our country. I'm really excited when KTM does that, but till that time we have to do with what we have, right? Something that always I have admired and something I always want to own is one supermoto motorcycle. They just have this different cool factor, man. Let's go! वीडियो का पहला गोल्डन स्प्रॉकेट अवार्ड गोस टू दिस मॉड 58% के साथ। चेक दिस आउट, ब्लैक हॉर्स। आई थिंक द बाइक का नाम है ब्लैक हॉर्स। वो ब्लैक हॉर्स में ईगल, ओके। एलईडी स्ट्रिप लाइट्स, इंटरेस्टिंग। दिस इज गोइंग समवेयर, ओके। फोड़ फाड़ रहे हैं हेडलैम्प को, उसमें भी एलईडी लाइट्स और लाइट। और बाप रे बाप, पूरा मोस्ट वांटेड। और मोर ईगल्स। आई थिंक दिस गाय रियली लव्स हिज एनिमल्स। स्प्रे पेंटिंग, द एग्जॉस्ट, व्हील कवर, सब कुछ ठीक ही चल रहा था somewhat, but व्हील कवर ने मूड खराब कर दिया। और ये देखिए, स्पीकर्स पे भी स्टिकर और एलईडी लाइट्स, वो भी घोड़ा, because light was not enough to show your presence, so you need 2 horns. Damn.
बाबू मेरे को अटेंशन दो ना।
Maybe he's a party planner, right? Or maybe he aspired to become a cop one day. Everything is blinking. Even his console is blinking.
मुझे कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा माँ।
Man went full berserk on दिवाली सेल। पटाखा चलाने को मिल नहीं रहा, गाड़ी को पटाखा बना देंगे हम। पटाखा ही पटाखा। चलो, हॉर्न का वॉल्यूम थोड़ा सा कम हो जाएगा आफ्टर पुटिंग द स्टिकर। पुलिस आ गया। Two spark plugs because he loves eagles more than his wife. How do you know he's married?
बहुत तेज हो रहा है।
At first I thought actually this is from Punjab, but later we came to know from the registration number plate that it's from UP. Damn, we are racist. One spark plug, obviously, पता नहीं क्यों मैंने किया, time waste. One spark plug to this रंग बिरंगा mod. Headlamp mod है ये, by the way. They added these LED lights. These LED panels बहुत फेमस चला था, चाइना से इंपोर्ट होके बहुत सारे बैग्स आ रहे थे जहां पे you had 2 eyes and all behind the bag. So what they did was remove that LED panels and they have pasted it on the headlamp and they're able to control it with the mobile. I'll not deny this looks damn cool, man. I liked it. It's different. ये रात में ही काम आएगा, दिन में तो ऐसे भी वो दिखेगी नहीं, लाइट ज्यादा क्लियर नहीं रहेगी। दिमाग तो लगाया, आइडिया तो लगाया है। That's so useful at night. That's what. As I said, let's not look at these mods always with the practical point of view. Let's look at them from modding point of view. Maybe they're doing something different. यूपी मॉड अगेन, ये भी यूपी का, यूपी 82। यूपी से आजकल मॉड बहुत आ रहे हैं लाइट रिलेटेड, और पीपल रियली लव्स लाइट। यूपी में पावर कट होती है, द साइड इफेक्ट। घर पे लाइट नहीं तो एटलीस्ट बाइक पे तो लाइट है। अपाचे मॉन, नाइस नेम मैन, अपाचे मॉन। एज आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग, 4 स्पार्क प्लग्स, नॉट बैड, डिफरेंट, कूल। चेक आउट टूथलेस, सॉरी टूथपेस्ट ड्रैगन मॉड ऑन अ मोपेड। टाइम खजा, उसकी मूछें देखिए। Right? This is also unique. Fucking amazing. आग उगलता है, ड्रैगन बॉल Z. I think the ड्रैगन बॉल L, चारिज़ार्ड। नहीं, चारिज़ार्ड नहीं है, चौधुज़ार्ड है। ड्रैगन बॉल चीट्स। सीरियसली अगर देखा जाए तो क्रिएटिविटी तो है। It might not be Daenerys का ड्रैगन from Game of Thrones. At the end of the day, the vision counts the most. Okay, this is a MT15 mod by Chandu RXZ. Whoa. That's a lot of colors. What console is this? Where do you get all these console from? Check out the rims and all. What is the Takla doing on top of the tank, dude? Emergency contact है क्या इनके चाचा का picture? It's like Saitama, but Saitama from Mizo.com. The theme is crazy, dude. See what is written. I won't claim anything as India's first cause I want to be India's best and people's trust in custom modification culture. Okay, cool. इतना कलर है, एटलीस्ट कॉशन मैसेज तो देना चाहिए था ना कि कैन ट्रिगर सीजर्स। देखिए बेचारा ब्राउन मुंडे कितना परेशान है. Full body custom paint and hydro drips in KC style. Acha, KC Customs is the one who have worked on this motorcycle. Okay, crazy. Racing boy caliper. Oh wow, nice. RCB calipers, master cylinder, levers, foot pegs, Tablo Rosso 3 tires. Wow. Imported digital speedometer. Wow, this is some crazy ass speedometer. Imported chain sprocket and gold O-ring chains. Nice. Man has invested a lot. दाद देनी पड़ेगी, इतना तो है. I think the Tamil Nadu motorcycle. This is some bold choice or bald choice, we should say. Custom paint, very goofy, but as long as he is happy, सब चंगा सी, right? But man, really man, अगर आप अपनी बाइक शोकेस कर रहे हो and you want people to take you seriously, then when you're making a video, at least don't wear chappal, at least shoes. How difficult is that? Adds more credibility to your video. Adds people take you seriously. 3 spark plugs, nice. Let's go. Okay, this one is another MT15. Wow. Oh, this one is clean. Whoa, this is clean, golden black. Wow, K&N filter. Wheel cover, dude. Leaving the wheel cover, everything looks so damn clean, man. These are extra body panels, right? It gives a bulky look. By the way, this one is from Slim Shady IG, Velocity 07. Embracing the ride 1 mile at a time. I think wheel cover has been added in to give it a bulky look. Golden bike looks golden sprocket worthy. Even the stitching on the seat, the rear seat mod, the stitching on the seat looks damn nice. Maverick bleed petrol. Bleed petrol? God damn, it's bleeding? Leaking? Stop that bleeding of petrol, man. It's expensive.
बेकारी नहीं है अपन, बहुत पैसे हैं अपने पास.
Control yourself, MT15. Though the chat has given 5 spark plug. Not bad, man. Even I would have given 5 spark plug. Very nice. Very cool. Let's go ahead. Check this one out. Benelli TNT 600 is being connected. Good use of Benelli 600. अब इसमें सब्जी बेचेंगे with good sound. I think this mod makes more sense. If you had an auto before and your auto engine seized, instead of replacing the engine, just buy a Benelli 600. You're getting it for very cheap.
कोई सेंस है इस बात का?
Not only you get better sounding engine, you get more power.
इस समाज को कुछ नहीं मालूम, जिस देश का विद्वान ही
Benelli rickshaw wala, TNT trolley, yes. One day cell income will go in petrol, no use. They are not living in India, buddy. Not every country has to pay similar amount as us. Some countries are paying actually way too less for petrol. Okay, Z900 Z.900, sorry, to be precise.
बिल्कुल रिस्क नहीं लेने का है.
G900. It's an N160 by the way, been modified to look like a Z900. दाद देनी पड़ेगी. Actually, the front headlamp does look like a Z900. That also the latest model of Z900. But again, Papa is not a fan of calling your motorcycle exactly like some other motorcycle. But cool mod, man. Very cool. Effort तो है. एकदम fire. Polio वाला Z900. Pulsar N900 could have called it. Z not so 900. Yes. ZTV 9.00. What kind of names are these? Pakistani 900. G900. He has so many names for this bike. Chaman 04 Rider, I'm so sorry. You asked for it. Jet 900 with cool exhaust. Is there wheel cover also? Oh, there's no wheel cover, man. At least 3 spark plug तो बनता है भाई. Wheel cover नहीं लगाया बंदे ने. As expected, the green color 3 spark plug for the green color G900. Okay, check this one out. RC Kit 15. Whoa, this is a RC. Check out that. Single-sided swing arm. God. Oh, it is Goa, right? Oh yeah, it is Goa. VFR 800 swing arm. Oh, because of swing arm also, he has to change the suspension. Cool, man. Very cool mod. That upswept exhaust. This can be a golden sprocket worthy. If you look only from modding perspective, don't look practicality and all right now. Okay, RC 200 by the way. ये चादर थोड़ी अच्छी खरीदनी चाहिए थी ना. ये बेडशीट क्यों डाली इसके ऊपर? थोड़ी satin वाली चादर लेके आते हैं. More spark plugs for keeping the bike inside the home. I wish I was that lucky, man. I really want to get my bike inside my studio, man. I wish one day I have a studio, maybe a garage where I have my live stream set up, my bike's parked beside me, my gear, my helmet. Oh, that will be a dream come true for Papa. Chat has given golden sprocket, the RC Kit 15 from Goa. Another Punjab mod means not written, but we know. We are racist like that. How putting a fat tie looks cool. It looks like जैसे कि sumo wrestler का पैर एक marathon runner के body में चिपका दिया हो. Looks like a balloon. This is the spacecraft that took Katy Perry to space. 300 section tire. पागल हो. Tractor tire लगाना था. 800 section का tire. Okay, this is a Harley Davidson custom built trike. Obviously, this is not a motorcycle anymore. So in some countries, you can ride all this without helmet. पूरा डिक्की विक्की है पीछे. देख रहे हैं आप? डॉक्टर की गाड़ी by the way. KTM lover owns a Harley Davidson. Check out the rear wheel. Check out the treads on rear wheels, man. This is going full off-road. 3x3. 3x3. Nice one, nice one. 2000cc रिक्शा. रिक्शा बोल दिया. अरे बाप रे बाप.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
इतना महंगा रिक्शा. Man, I don't think so we're gonna do a poll for this one. Spark plugs for this one because number one, this is not a motorcycle. This is a trike. Something very very unique in our. But India Bike Week में नहीं जाना चाहिए इनको. इनको जाना चाहिए India Trike Week में. अब हम लोग चेकआउट करेंगे 5 और 6 mods of our audience, okay? Of our subscribers. उनको चेकआउट करते हैं. इनका नाम है vanshh.x. Okay, this is RC, damn cool, full black. Okay, there you go. This is his RS. This is a full black RS, very nice. In the saddle of a bike, I find my freedom. Right? PB from Punjab. PB from Punjab, full black, no horns. बेशरम. How can you do that? एक चीज तो है, अगर आप पापा को फॉलो करते हैं एंड यू डोंट हैव एनी व्हील कवर, यू ऑटोमेटिकली हैव अ 5 स्पार्क प्लग, राइट? सो 5 स्पार्क प्लग तो ऑटोमेटिकली मिलता है, अनलेस समथिंग इज रियली रियली क्रेजी, देन या गोल्डन प्रॉफिट. ऑटोमेटिक 5 स्पार्क प्लग. लेट्स गो. आई थिंक दिस वन ओनली. ओके, दिस इज योर बाइक. ओह, राजस्थान फ्रॉम mayank.21. and this is his Meteor custom bobber built rear fender and the rear tail light. 5 spark plug again. Let's go. Very nice. ये है हमारे सब्सक्राइबर. इनका नाम है Speed ZN. No, I'm not play the music. I'm so sorry. I'm just gonna watch you do some cringe acting. Yeah. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, nice animation. Yeah, let's go. Woo, full black. Another full black Vigo here. What different I'm seeing here? Full black. I'm seeing some sticker work on the engine case. I'm seeing some lever protectors are there. Full blacked out headlamp. Going on track days, I feel. Dark night if he was riding a Vigo. Whoa, 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 whoa. I missed that exhaust. Whoa, what exhaust is that? Pepsi can exhaust. I wonder how it sounds like. You don't even follow Papa. Oh, and you shade. Now 5 spark plug तो नहीं पड़ेगा. I'm so sorry. गलती की तुम बेटा. ये लो. 4 spark plug. It's you problem, not Papa problem. Okay? Second ID से follow है. तो इससे क्यों नहीं follow है? That is not me problem again. That is you problem. पवन भाई की चेक करेंगे. Okay, पवन भाई की R15. आहा, full clean. क्या बात. When I'm checking out someone's bike ना, it doesn't mean it has to be modded. That is his R15. Sexy setup. Full gear. Nice. Full दिखाते हुए हम देख रहे हैं आपको. Thank you for watching, Papa. A very clean R15M. Oh, R15M. Sexy as bike, dude. I don't think we have done much modifications. Maybe performance mods, which I don't know about. Very nice video also. Obviously, 5 spark plug for Pawan Bhai. Okay, now we are checking out the YNG R3XZZ की motorcycle. One of our subscriber. Whoa! God damn! Whoa! Check out that R3, guys. That looks fucking sexy. God damn! God damn! Whoa! Crazy! Alpine Stars. That's a good livery, man. Oh, that's a cool edit. This is a proper 5 spark plug. It's very nice, very good. Oh, it's a Husky. Nice. So this is from the White Arrow, and this is his Husky. I don't think so he's done much mods, but damn sexy bike. It's a Bitpillion 250. Stock, but very clean. Very clean, man. Very nice. I wish more people buy Huskies, man, in India. I really wish more people buy Huskies in India. The problem, they're not selling. And that's why they're not gonna get, more models to India. Very cool looking motorcycle Huskies make. 5 spark plug, obviously.
Round and round, the wheels on the bike go round and round, all through the town.